Namaste, welcome to Monday Bytes from ChitraCars. Like the channel, share it with your friends and relatives, subscribe the channel and write your comments in the comment box. And thanks for encouraging me to do more videos. This is the continuation of the previous video. Today, about the accessories what we spoke about. People put a ball accessories to rotate, which is good and easy to drive, but actually it might be hazardous to drive. It might cause some damage or an accident. When you're doing it, if it doesn't rotate, then you have a problem. So that is not necessary to be fitted. Same way, alloy wheels. People put alloy wheels to the cars. They put oversized. The tire also oversized and the alloys also oversized, which is going to affect the stability of the car, which is the purpose of your safety is lost when you put an extra alloy. They put horns which are big in size and very high in volume, which is damaging the atmosphere and as well as the person. People get scared when they put some horn like this, bigger horns, which is going to damage, and it is against the RTN norms. Then they put a lot of lights, dazzling lights in front of the bump, in the lights, red, yellow and all, which is against the policy of the RTN norms, and also which can cause accidents because of the overlight, which is very, very dangerous to drive in a car in the night with that kind of lights. Same way, number plates. They put different fancy number plates which are not allowed in RTA. So these are all the accessories which are not necessary for us. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think ChitraCars. Thank you.